Hi everyone, welcome to Maths video class 6th. We are on chapter 14th, that is fraction. I have told in fractions we will be dealing addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and if possible simplification. So what is most important is you should know addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of fraction. Addition up to 3 fraction, like when we should be able to add 2 fractions, we should be able to add 3 fractions. Subtraction up to 2 subtraction, you can only subtract 2 fractions. Multiplication 2, 3, 4, that is unlimited, you should be able to subtract. Division 2 fractions. And simplification. Simplification means it will be combination of all the basic operations. Okay. So we'll have very few things, like addition will have 5 sums, 5 examples, subtraction 5 example, multiplication 5, division 5. Okay, so like that we'll deal with the things. So at present I have taken exercise 14C. Question number 1, add 1 integer 3 by 4 and 3 by 8. So this I have to add. Question is add. So what I'll do, 1 4 is 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 by 4. So this was mixed fraction, I have converted into improper fraction. So 1 4 is 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 by 4. 7 is greater and 4 is smaller. So this is improper fraction. So 7 by 4 and 3 by 8. So first step is convert, if any mixed fraction is there, convert it into improper fraction. That is the first step. Then plus 7 by 4 plus 3 by 8. So I have done it. Then I am telling you the proper method to find out, to add. Okay, to find, so what you have to do is, first, if any mixed fraction is there, convert into improper. Second, see the denominators. Here only 2 fractions are there, so 2 denominators. If 3 fractions are there, then you have to consider 3 denominators. Okay, so 4 8, so I have taken here 4 and 8. So what we have to do is take denominators and find out its LCM. So 4 and 8, 2 2s are, 2 4s are, 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are, and this one as it is. So this is the method of finding out LCM. Last year we have studied it. Okay, so multiply these 3. So LCM will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, that is 8. Okay, I hope you know how to find out LCM. Those who don't know, please learn it. I'll try to prepare special video for it. Okay, so now 4 and 8. 4 and 8 comes in with 2 common table, 2. So 2 2s are, 2 4s are, 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are, 1 is already here. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay, so 8 is the LCM. So what we have to do is find out 4 how many are 8. So 4 2s are 8. 4 how many is 8? 2s are. So multiply numerator by 2. 8 how many is 8? 8 1s are. So 8 multiplied, 3 multiplied by 1. So 4 2s are 8 and 8 1s are 8. Ask question, 4 multiplied by which number gives me 8? So 4 2s are 8 and 8 1s are 8. This step is very crucial because children, they get confused in this step only. So please understand this. Then multiply 7 2s are plus 3 1s are. So 7 2s are 14 and plus as it is 3 1s are 3 upon 8. So 14 plus 3 is 17 upon 8. So 17 upon 8, improper fraction. I must convert, since it is improper. Improper means numerator is greater than denominator. So so I have to convert it into mixed fraction because it is improper fraction. So 17 divided by 8. So 17 divided by 8. 8 2s are 16. Remainder 1. So 2 integer 1 upon 8. 2 integer 1 upon 8. Okay, so this is the answer. So most important thing is, I had told you which step where you people get confused. Now few children will surely ask me, Miss, can we use this method? 7 by 4, 3 by 8. directly cross multiplication. 7 8s are 56, 4 3s are 12 upon 4 8s are 32. Okay, so 56 plus 12 will be 68. 68 upon 32. So if you convert this into mixed fraction, see now, 2 1s are 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 3 2s are 4 4s are 16, 4 8s are 32, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So some mistake I have done, I think so. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Okay, 2 4s are 8. Okay, yeah, that's what I was thinking. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2 6 are 4 4s are, and now here 4 will not come. So 2 8s are will take here. 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2 7. So 17 by 8, here also 17 by 8. So if this is possible, this cross multiplication is possible only when you have two fractions. Okay, so you can do that also. 7 8s are 56, 4 3s are 12, 4 8s are 32. But at the end you will get the same result. Alright, so LCM can be taken for more than 2 fractions. Okay, so let's see the next one. Now this here I have taken sixth question, sixth problem, or I can say sixth example. See, first one I have explained, now sixth one I am going to explain. So you can see here, 3 8s are 24, 24 plus 1 25 upon 8. So first step is converting into improper fraction. So 5 12s are 60, 60 plus 5 65 upon 12, and this is proper fraction, so as it is. So you can see 25 by 8 plus 65 by 12 plus 5 by 16. So what I have done is I have taken LCM of denominators. So 8 12 and 16, 2 4s are 2 6s are 2 8s are 2 2s are 2 3s are 2 4s are 2 1s are 3 doesn't come in 2's table, so 3 as it is, 2 2s are, then 2 1s are 1 as it is, 3 comes in only 3's table, so 3 1s are. Then multiply all these, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 to 16, 16 3s are 48. Okay, so here we have 48 as our LCM. So I have written 48. Now ask question, 8 multiplied by what gives me 48? So 8 multiplied by 6 gives me 48. So 25 multiplied by 6 I have written. 12 multiplied by what gives me 48? 12 multiplied by 4 will give me 48. So 65 multiplied by 4 plus 16 multiplied by what gives me 48? 16 3s are 48. So 5 numerator multiplied by 3. So 5 3s are 15. So 25 6s are 150, 65 4s are 260, and 5 3s are 15 upon 48. Okay, and then adding all this I get 425 upon 48. I have converted into mixed form. So you can see the rough work which I have done. This is 8 41 upon 48. Okay, so same way you have to do subtraction also. Same way you have to do subtraction also. So only thing is, first and last I have done. I've shown you how to do first and last. You people have to solve second, third, fourth and fifth. Second, third, fourth and fifth. If you have any problem regarding LCM, please contact me. Okay, last date was there. We have done it. And then subtraction also I will give you homework. This homework you have to complete in 2 to 3 days. Okay, so subtraction same method, only instead of all the methods, like instead of addition you have to subtract. So wherever plus is there you have to minus. Okay, method is same, you have to find LCM, or you can do cross multiplication and then subtract. So first, second are homework for subtraction. First and second are homework for subtraction. Instead of addition you have to subtract. Okay, In next video, we will see multiplication and division. Okay, so homework is second, third, fourth, fifth, and here first and second. Instead of plus, you have to subtract, minus. That's all. Okay. Once again, if you have any doubt, I'll just let you know. Now see here. After, see, you will instead of plus, you will write minus. Here you will write minus. Here you will write minus. Here you will write minus. So 14 minus 3, 11. So it will be like this. So instead of plus, minus should be done. Okay, and rest same thing. 14 minus 3, 11. So 11 by 8 should be converted into mixed form. Okay. So addition and subtraction, you will be doing it. Homework I have given. Please submit the homework within 2 days, 2 to 3 days. Okay. So I hope you will solve it. And if you have, you can do cross multiplication also, which I have explained in the video. For more than 2 fractions, you can't do that. So you have to learn LCM also. Okay, children. Okay. So then, by that time, take care and solve the examples. Thank you so much.